Hey everyone, welcome back to Art 1, Week 4. We are going to move on to our next principle this week, and we're going to focus on contrast and emphasis. In the beginning of the week, you have a focal point exercise, introducing focal point to you and different ways to create it. There is contrast and emphasis questions for you to answer, and if you need to reference last week's video introducing all of the principles, feel free to reference that. There is a contrast practice worksheet later this week for you. You're going to demonstrate on the worksheet your understanding of how to create contrast and then submit that in. And then at the end of the week, there is a Pixlr assignment. Watch the tutorial video before you jump into the assignment, and then follow the easy steps to complete that and submit that as well. If you guys have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out. All right, have a great week.